Hi unicorns! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Enshlie. Happy 4th of July. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this cute little makeup inspired by 4th of July. I just really like to play around with colors and stuff, so it does look a little bit retro, but I absolutely love how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you can even use this as your 4th of July look. Let me know what your favorite lipstick is as far as red colors. Comment that down below. I'm very curious to know. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Come on, become a part of the Unicorn fam. Go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button to get notified every time that I post, and you will officially become a part of the Unicorn fam. Once you do that, go ahead and comment done down below and hashtag Unicorn fam. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long. I just want to get right into this 4th of July inspired makeup tutorial. Alright guys, so I just wanted to start off this video and show you guys how I do my brows. This is a new technique that I've been doing lately and I really like it, so I just want to show you guys really quick. Two items that I use for my brows is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel and the number 5 Gimme Brow from Benefit. I like to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel and I like to brush my hair up just so I kind of know like what is going on. And I love that like messy brow look, but you can tell already what's going on. I have to cut my brows a little bit. What's cool about this is you can fill it out if you want to, like at the tails. I don't really like to do that, but you can totally go ahead and do it yourself. So it's been raining a lot in Miami. I want to know what kind of weather you guys have going on wherever you're at. Just let me know like in the comments down below where you're from and how the weather is over there, because we don't get summer. Tragic. My brows look very bushy right now, which is exactly the look that I want. And I don't know if you noticed, but I tried to do my hair. Don't come for me. Don't know how to do my hair, but it is what it is. Now I'm gonna go in with my Gimme Brow and I'm just gonna start filling it in. I wanna start at the back, and then whatever I have left over, I'm gonna bring it to the front of the brow, just so you get that harsher pigment. And it's cool if you get messy with it, because I'm going to clean it up anyways, so it don't really matter. And there's no funny technique to this. I just literally brush my brows. This might be difficult if you don't have brows. I have like a good amount of brows. If you want this kind of texture, I would just do like lines like this with whatever brow product you use. I like to go in after everything is done, as far as my foundation and like basically the whole look, and I like to go back in with my brow gel just to clean it up and to get off the foundation and all of that. So I'm gonna do that towards the end, but if you don't see me doing it in the tutorial, I do that at the end. My face has been breaking out again, not sure why, but I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. Now for today's video, I am going to be doing a 4th of July situation. So this is going to be a 4th of July makeup look. This is going to be a more fun, colorful look. I don't know about you guys, but I like color. I can confidently wear it out. But if you're not a fan of color, then I don't know, just watch and have fun, I guess. Learn some tips and tricks. Now I'm going to use my Verimono sponge. This guy right here. This is a mint chip sponge and I'm gonna use this to blend everything out. I really like the shape of this because it makes it so easy to clean up. I think now that summer is back, I'm gonna go back to using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I like this for like natural looks, but the Shape Tape really stays on through any situation. I'm playing around with my lighting, so let me know if you like it like this, if you can see me better, just if everything looks better. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Huda Beauty. This is my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette and I'm gonna be using this color right here, and I'm just gonna pat this all around my lid and we're gonna blend that later. I just really want to pack that color onto my lid for now. So I'm gonna go ahead with this color, and I'm using my Artiste brush to use it as my liner. So I wanted to create like a little wing situation and then blend everything out. So now I'm just using a clean brush to blend that out. Alright, so I just grabbed a wipe and just basically clean this off right here. I do want to keep blending so everything looks just like perfect. Now, I'm not gonna repeat the same thing on this eye. I want to blend this out first because it was a little bit hard to do with the liner. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the line. I do want to say that this is a perfect brush to do a liner. Just makes everything so much easier. And I'm gonna start cleaning that up just so I can get more of a visual and then fill it in. This is my Dior Show Pump and Volume HD mascara, and I actually got this as a sample as well. Listen, if you have points, you might as well use them at Sephora. So this is really cool because you kind of squeeze the tube to warm it up and like get the full product. I don't know if you guys can see that pointy top, but that helps with like under your lashes, and it just helps in the corners too. This mascara really gives you volume, so I like that. I just hope it doesn't flake off, because if any mascara flakes off on me, like the little black specks under here, she's canceled forever. I'm gonna be using my SAUCY lashes. These are in the style Taboo. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. I'm gonna be using the Glow Recipe. This is a watermelon moisturizer. I love this thing. My face is pretty dry lately, especially around my nose area, just because I've been having horrible allergies. It usually hits me in the spring, but it's hitting me in the summer, which kind of sucks, but what can I do about it? Now you guys know I don't like to use any sort of primer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I like to use this before I put on my foundation. I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Veromona Beauty Sponge. This is a mint chip sponge. I love this foundation because it's so full coverage, and it looks light once you put it on, but once it dries down and oxidizes, it oxidizes a little bit darker. So be careful with that when you're buying yours if you want to go ahead and buy one. This foundation does dry quite fast, so you do want to work quickly with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Born This Way concealer. I did a look very similar to this one, and it was for my blue series, but I did use like a different technique in this one. Now with your concealer, you don't really need to do the whole triangle situation that everyone does. I don't really recommend that technique because it is just a waste of your concealer, is all it is. You can just dab a little bit, and that's pretty much all you need. You don't need nothing crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm just using my RCMA powder. And I want to use this around my nose area too. Because this is a matte foundation, I'm not trying to set my whole face with it. Just the places that normally crease is what I really want to do. I think I'm liking this lighting a lot more than what I used to use. I'm using my Maybelline. This is my Master Chrome palette, and this is a Master Bronze palette. So I'm just going to go in with this one right here in the middle. So I'm gonna use this highlight right here to highlight my face. In order to do that, I'm actually gonna spray my face first. I always like to do that before I put on highlight, just so you get that glass skin effect. So I'm gonna cover my eyes actually. Please excuse my nails. My nail appointment is actually tomorrow, but I really wanted to film this video. See how it gives you like that glass effect? That's what I was trying to do. I'm not gonna lie, this looks a lot like the Amrezi highlight, I think, personally. Has anyone watched Aladdin? What do you think about it? I haven't seen it yet, but I'm gonna go tomorrow to watch it, and I'm really excited because I've been hearing the soundtrack from the movie and I absolutely love it. That song Speechless that Jasmine does is so pretty, and it should have been in the original movie too. I'm kind of mad that they didn't think about it earlier. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to contouring my skin. I'm actually gonna go in with all of them because they're all really pretty. So you can see the difference already from one side to another. I'm gonna use my favorite Epic Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. And I do want to contour my nose a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my same palette, and I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. Alright, and for my favorite part that I'm so excited to show you guys, I'm actually gonna mist my face before I show you guys. Just to get rid of any powders that may be around. This is a great time to also clean up my brows like I said earlier. So I'm gonna use Anastasia brow gel and just brush my hair up again to get all the powders out. What I like is that I still have that hint of color in there, so it won't look anything crazy. Now my favorite part, I'm gonna actually put on some lipstick. This is a Lipland Radioactive Liquid Lipstick. I love their lipsticks, they're so freaking good, and I think this is the perfect red for the summer if you're interested in, like, if you wear reds all the time, like for work or something like that, or you just like red. This one is a perfect one for the summer. You should always change your reds as far as their tones throughout the seasons. To finish up my under eyes, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Deep End. I'm using this shade right here for my under eyes. I like this shade because it has more of a sparkly tone to it. Alright unicorn, so this is the final look for my 4th of July inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It does look kind of retro if you want to call it that, but I do really like how it turned out. I like that the brows are messy, and I love this red lipstick. I don't know about you guys, but let me know down below in the comments what your favorite red lipstick is of all time. A lot of you are going to say Ruby Woo, which is kind of a fan favorite, but I really like this one, so let me know down below. But happy 4th of July to all my unicorns, and if you're not part of the unicorn fam, then go ahead and do the thing down there. What are you waiting for? Just subscribe down below and then hit the bell notification button so you can get notified every time I post, and you'll officially become a part of my unicorn fam. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video, which will appear right here.